So, based sa program goals natin, dapat daw, di ba, sa first is ginapalo natin yung institutional vision, mission. Tapos, in order for us to have a subject objective, dapat ginapalo natin yung program goals, which is in the exhibit competence. Dapat, in a way na magturo yung teacher or yung paggawa ng mga assessment and so on, dapat may competence siya. Dapat alam yung mga concept, procedure, yung paggawa ng mga yung procedure and how to create kanila, ano tawag nito parang like yung content, dapat alam nila yung pain and so on, paano explain parang gano'n. And then, they should also manifest meaningful and comprehensive pedagogical content. Ay, kung sinabi ko na dapat na and then, dapat demonstrate nila na proficiency sa pag-solve ng mga problems and then to create routine and non-routine problems with different levels of complexity. So, same sa mga sa task, first, nag-start muna sa mga easy na level na gano'n. Parang nag-start muna sa mean and median na gano'n. So, parang hindi na pa-core na parang start na rin na level. And then now, nandun kami sa probability, which is super hard na siya. Kasi, sabay nung, ano tawag mo, like yung probability and something. Counting permutation. Then, nandito na yung continuation of inertia, same na doon. Use effective appropriate approaches, methods, and technique. Teaching mathematics, including taking technological tools. And then, approaching mathematics as an opportunity to for creative work, moments of enlightenment, discovery, and gaining insight of the world. So, against naman kaagad yung mga ibang tools. Now, let's proceed sa ginawa ko na example na subject objective sa mathematics. So, yung nakabase siya dun sa program ko kasi gano'n naman talaga dapat. Yung paggawa ng subject objective, dapat always may related siya sa program ko. So, sa ginawa ko is understand the concept and uses of median and mode. Yun man talaga yung parang starting point ng statistics. And then apply formulas instead in solving for measure, of central tendency, collect and organize real-life data for statistical analysis, relate measure of central tendency to decision-making in everyday life, and engage in simple research tasks involving data gathering and assessment. So, yung mga subject objective na to, ito yung parang plan in the future. Kung ano talaga yung parang, ano yung matutunan nila Now, for the desired student learning outcomes, dito na, sa iba din doon, kasi doon din tayo mag-base sa subject objective which is yung So, sa desired student learning outcome, ito yung mga matutunan nila at the end of a unit or something or less. So, explain the concept of mean, median, and mode. So, alam na nila kung ano yung mean, ano yung median, at ano yung mode. And then they know how to compute measures of central tendency using given and value data. And then alam nila how to present statistical findings by clearly and accurately presenting it while answering that using quizzes or assessments, something like that. And then they can also connect that statistical principles sa real-life application. And then for diagnostic assessment, yun yung muna to before. Alam naman natin, di ba, na diagnostic assessment ginagawa in order for us to know kung may parang may prior knowledge yung mga students sa